amaprofethi lana azoseka wena ngoba ngisho before ngimnika siyabona ngoba mshobo ushowe ufuna ukutshela he is the one bekagqugquzela ukuthi kube nohlelo labafundisi nabathanda kakhona sibona ushowe sibona sibeletho esizathiwa abanye abaza abantwana babo uNkulunkulu bathi wena wakhetha inkosi bawukhetha la usiza nesizwe
umphakathi nabazalwane kakhulukazi ngelukaShowe. Akuningi esimele nami. I will try to be very short bazalwane ngesikhathi ngicela nje ukintroduce noma acknowledge ihameli zethu noma amalungu eParliament noma osopolitiki abaphakathi kwethu aphakathi kwethu ngizobiza nje igama mhlawumbe aphakame uphakamayo egameni lenkosi. Amen. Sino honorable Des Van Roy obele okubela eParliament apart kwe-MK. Sino honorable Carol Mafagane sino honorable David Skosana.
Viva the leadership of the executive Jacob Zuma. Viva! Long live Jacob Zuma. Long live! Ngithanda ukubulisa sonke. Bafundisi. Ngiyabonga ukubonile wezinto phakathi komkhonto wesizwe. Sizokwaza impilo kaBaba usho. Mina ngokusebenza kakhulu bantu bakithi. Igama lami abangaziyo abakhule nami la bazojonga konke igama lami. KaMlani ophatha imali zasebolekeni bangifuna imali ezengile. Ngizokuthola. Kodwa le mali esebenzela abantu. Ngikwenza kanje angokuthi ngikhulume. Uthulani Showe usebenza nabantu.
Arisibuleka kuisa tlhoko la bana la Showe ngida sibayo nani bafundisi. We feel very much honored to be accorded an opportunity. We should come here and convey our condolences to the bereaved family. The only problem is not saying anything about us as NPP as to why we are included. The family that fits to the semi-included. We humble ourselves. We are really, really grateful to be given an opportunity to come here and console the Labalasho when the Labelas line. But now, because this card is not on our side, I will convey just a straightforward message to the bereaved. The message you can, I will refer it to Baba Johannes Showe, who was for years the sole partner of Umama Nomkelelo Showe. You know, one of the values that we are told Umama was advocating and embracing in Kwimpilo yake, it was love. Among other things, it was love. Utana. Now today we are here. Internationally, there is a Roman practice that is observed globally, Bateki Valentine's Day. Now it was said the family, through the value of love, was united. It was said the marriage, through the value of love, it was warm. Now, Dr. Johannes, you are the one who knows better than any one of us here on how you used to observe this day. Now we are saying to you, the gap has been opened and you understand it better. But Sibiseha, Lokola, Memam Kelelo, I am the facility. Now to the sons, Sipho, not Tulani, our fellow comrade. You know, guys, la masiba la challenge makoti la show when the council makoti la masiba la challenge as the comments of the big party in the Holuna, Tiana, and the broader family are show when Sibayoli, Tiana, Lilona Sichava, Saipato, the Holuna, Tiana. Now I have a room to see the MKP. Remokatore as a Hoa to cosmopolitan. Sinabal, Amandaba Corona, Sinababa Code. It's a societal movement. But now, because in our caucus in Maniba, they instructed me to give this message to the family. Because the family is a Christian family.
esizozimasa namhlanje iphinde kuthathe lethuba ngibingelele enkulu inhlonipho ubuholi obukhona ubuholi be-MK Party eParlamente kulidwa uParty leader wethu uComrade Des Van sibingelele ama-MPLs akhona sibingelele isonto elikhona engebenkula kamnandi. I can't miss an opportunity of singing with you because they have beautiful voices. Iphinde kuthathe lethuba ngibingelele wonke ama-members of parliament akhona la, ngibingelele wonke umuntu okhona entendeni ngelihle igama lenkosi yethu Christ Amen. It was important for me to start by singing because we all know ukuthi president we-MK Party uyakuthanda umculo. So kube bekuthiwa wena omi lapha ngwethu lezoyiqala ngengoma. So ngithe angingamnisi represent. Today the MK Party will come ukuthi sizoqinisa idolo sizobonga emswaneni emndenini wakwaShongwe. Uma sibonga emswaneni siqala ngokuthi uNelson Mandela wayikhuluma ngabeka Oliver Tambo uthi Oliver Tambo has died but his spirit will never die. Sifuna ukusho umndeni wakwaShongwe ukuthi the spirit of uMamShongwe will prevail in the family. It will not only prevail in the family but it will also prevail in the MK Party. Abanye abantu mhlambe bophela lesonto sebemkhohlile uMamShongwe. Abanye bophela lenyanga sebemkhohlile. But we can assure you that as the MK Party, we will never forget her. Angeke simkhohlwe ngoba amongst izinto ezinhle azenzile usizalele indodana ebene-contribution to the livelihood of the MK Party. Ushongwe, we want to say to you, my brother, we know ukuthi uma wakho umthanda kanjani. Fortunate enough, uma wakho uma kusondela insuku zakhe zokugcina wena bomntoloza umgijimise ibhedlela. So I know ukuthi usondele kangakanani enhlizweni yakho. But one thing I can tell you is that this is a beginning of a new journey. This is a beginning of independence. Today, when your children want a shoulder to cry on, you will be the only ones available. So mina ngizothi kuwena umukhala khala kakhulu namhlanje, but asifuni ukubona ukhala kusasa, because these children are looking up to you. So umuzokhala umphele, we are not going to get anchor to these children. I've never lost a mother. I'm not going to pretend as if I know ukuthi phase eyokuluza umzali kuhlungu kangakanani. But one thing for sure, because a child is a reflection of a mother. I can attest that ukuthi uShongwe is a very good man. uThulani Shongwe now. He's a very good man. He's not a coward. His spirit is kama wakho. Uma ulusi sigebengu lapha eParliament sizohamba nawe. When you address thousands of people on behalf of the MK party, uzobe ungasahambi wedwa, uzobe uhamba nespirit sikama wakho. Sithi-ke umndeni wakwaShongwe alwehlanga ungehlanga qinani uNkulunkulu ngalesikhathi behamba uMakaShongwe ubekhona. Ningamsoli uNkulunkulu nithi ubengekho. And you must be grateful for having experienced ukuphila kukamawenu. Abanye abantu bakhule oma babo bengabazi. Mina I don't know my father. I've never seen baba wami. So uba nomzali okhona empilweni yakho is a blessing. Abanye abantu bathi bezalwa kuthiwe hayi
isikhathi ayibonge Nkosi. Amen. Bazalwane ngilana izikhulu zonke sikhulumile sikhulume kahle kakhulu futhi sakhuluma ukuyikho kakhulukazi sithinta umama zinika futhi namazwi azoqhubeka ngawo ubakuShongwe mfowabo owaziqhubeka nempilo. Bazalwane kuyiqiniso ukuthi umlayezo wami uzoba mfishane kakhulu ukuze nangeni ilanga amaqhamuka banginikeze ithuba. Enye inkonzo sizoyenza kakhulu uma sekudlule isikhathi. Ngiyazwakala emuva? Ngiyazwakala manje? Ngiyabonga. Enye inkonzo sizoyenza kakhulu uma sekudlulile mhlawumbe lenkonzo yokufihla umama uShongwe umfowethu kakhulukazi uShongwe simqinise ukuthi aqhubeke nokuhamba ngoba aqale ngayo. Bazalwane ngifisa ukuphosa lenselelo nje ebandleni emfishane ukuthi amabandla wonke noma ubuholi bonke bakithi ekholweni ngokwendlela uNkulunkulu asibize ngayo kufanele ibandla lisukume libe ngeenyawo lithathe iposition yalo kwi-political space. We want to collapse the system and we want to influence the system. Iqale ngokuthi we want to collapse the system and we want to influence the system. Kuyihlazo ukuthi ibandla lizobhala umgwaqo kulesi sikhathi lijaha ukuthi likhulume ne-CRL ekhuluma nokuthi uNkulunkulu akaze akhulume nomfundisi. So-ke kuyisikhathi sokuthi umkhonto wesizwe uzivulela ikhaya, uzivulela indawo yokukhuluma ngoba sasuka la sasikhona sathatha abantu bakaNkulunkulu sababeka kubantu abangakwazi ukucabangela abantu ukuthi ibandla lisondele libe indlebe lizwe ukuthi bafanyamalana iziphi izinto ayishoyo kodwa we want to make sure ukuthi njengebandla sithatha our position. Ngifisa ukuthi emndenini wakaShongwe ngaleli bazalwane elitholakala ku-2 Timothy chapter 4 verse number 7. Lithi leli verse ngikulwile ukulwa okuhle ngiqedile ibanga ngigcinile ukukholwa. Ngamanye amagama leli verse likhuluma nje into esimple bazalwane elula kakhulu. Lithi mawulibheka ungathi wayibhala ubone ngenandaba ukuthi uqale kanjani kodwa inendaba nokuthi uzophetha kanjani. Usasendleleni usabuka amabandla ukuthi wonke amabandla uyaphekisisa kodwa labo bantu azanyiphi umuntu uyaphekisisa. Uzothi usasendleleni usawela usawela ibandla ufike ukufa uqede kabi. Lithi lelizwe bazalwane ngilwile ukulokuhle ngase ngiyagcina ukukholwa ngaphandle kokugcina bazalwane ngase ngiqede ngoba indaba izoba sekutheni uqede kanjani noma ngabe kuthiwa uqale kanjani noma ngabe uyazi ifamily yakho noma ngabe awuzange ubabona abazali kodwa indaba isekuthenini uqeda kanjani. Ngifisa ukusho-ke ukuthi ngikusho lokho bazalwane ngesibili ngoba namhlanje singofakazi ukuthi umama ubekwa ekholweni akazange ahluleke awabeka amabhaji endleleni kodwa la indaba esinami nawe ukuthi siqeda kanjani. Bengizothi mina inselelo engizoyiphosa endlini ngoba baningi abazalwane abakhona asisoze abazalwane sabanayo lento kuthiwa yi-unity kodwa singakwazi ukubekezelelana njengeBhayibheli malithi hlalisana nani ngoba leli gama elithi hlalisanani bazalwane lisho ukuthi hlala nomuntu noma ngabe awumthandi kodwa uhlalisane naye. Uhlalisane nomuntu noma ngabe umbukela phansi kodwa uhlalisane naye. Uhlalisane nomuntu noma ngabe kuthiwa akanaka akekho kwi-status sakho kodwa abantu
siyadlala so andazi bakutheni igama lalo ndibulise umzi wakwaShongwe Shongwe abantwana abazulwana ndibulise umzi wakwaSibanyoni ome phambi kwenu ukhusela Diko ntombi yakwaSangoni suka nobaba uShongwe eParliament sikulapho ngithi kuthiwa uyalwa pha uyi-mosquito ulwa crime ndihamba apha phambi kwam nomama ufikile Masiko naye ngoweqembu le-African National Congress uKwaZulu useKwaZulu Natal Legislature futhi siyabulela isithuba esiphezulu into yoba nathi sizogqibelesane nje babe sekutshiwo njengoba ndihleli phayana nje sibane sikhula nalamadoda ephini sisithi singabantu abanye noba singahlala singavani ngamaxesha amaninzi uShongwe njengoba simbiza Honorable Shongwe Mthulane evelelwe inceba elinje nathi liyafika ukuthi elo sizokhala nawe mfowethu kudla ngokuthiwa esiXhoseni wena ungazange walahlekelwa ngumama unetyala ngoku ifikele wona elo tyala alishoyo kodwa ndifuna uthetha imithetho apha bathi abakhe bayahamba ngendlela ihambe kwaye futhi kutshiwo kwathiwa ikhona amazwi phaa eBhayibhileni athi blessed are those who mourn for they will be comforted. Thixo usekufutshane usecaleni kwabo bantliziyo zophukileyo bekhona ngeli xesha umama ehamba kwaye uzohlala ekhona so sithi thuthuzelekani zowaShongwe thuthuzelekani zowaSibanyoni umama nathi nje kwabe kusekuthiwo khange simazi ngelihlo lenyama kodwa
Mom, I never felt the connection I felt with anyone besides you. I lost an angel. La Shongwe.
From time
I never anticipated
born on the 6th September 1960 in Davidson at ADH Hospital. She was the third born of the late Sipho David Sibanyoni and Sipti Selina Itue Sibanyoni. Martha began her schooling at Sozizwe Intermediate School, which she laid the foundation of her education before later pursuing a passion of creativity. She obtained a certificate in fashion design from Zuzulwazi Academy of Fashion Design, a field in which she excelled with natural talent and dedication. A hard-working and committed individual, Martha spent 11 years working at professional belt supply, where she was well respected for her discipline and strong work ethic. At the time of her passing, she was employed by Nikki family as a housekeeper. She served with loyalty, warmth, and compassion. In 1981, she married Johannes Sibanyoni, who remained a pillar of support throughout her life. She leaves behind her two sons, Sipho and Tulani.
Baba uShongwe nomndeni wakho phephisana angeke ngene kakhulu esimweni okusona ngoba ngisasesenhlanhleni ukuthi upartner wami usekhona
kodwa umuzwa engicabanga ukuthi uzowuzwa wena uzobe undlula kakhulu umuzwa ozwa abantwana bakho ngoba ekameleni mawungena you expect somebody ukuthi abe lapha eduze kwakho kodwa uthole ukuthi akasekho. Kodwa-ke amazwi ami engithanda ukwashiya endlini yonke nasebantwini bonke abaphilayo, amazwi atholakala ezwini likaNkulunkulu ukuthi before kuba kanje, before kuba wonke umuntu kuba kanje, uthi uPawuli nakani okwaphezulu la ukuphila kwenu okufihlwe khona kanye noKristu. Engikholwa yikho thunanisho wena baba yikuthi simthembile umama ukuthi endleleni ehamba ubile nobufakazi. Athi uJohane bangabefundisa kuJohane wokuqala chapter 5 verse 11 athi ubufakazi buyilokhu lalesisa ubufakazi buyilokhu bokuthi uNkulunkulu usiphile uphile ophakathi. uNkulunkulu ongawaqambi amanga usiphile ukuphila okuphakathi siphile uphile okuphakathi yilokhu bokuthi onendodana unakho uphile okuphakathi kodwa ongenayo indodana akanakho ukuphila okuphakathi. Kungakho uJohane mayekala kuJohane 3 ku-16 uvula athi uNkulunkulu uthandile izwe kangangokuba uze wanikela ngendodana yakhe yodwa ize kuba lowo naloyo okholwa yiyo angabhubhi abe nokuphila okuphakathi. Ubufakazi yilokho ukuthi uNkulunkulu usiphile ukuphila okuphakathi kusendodaneni onendodana onendodana lokuphila ongenayo akakho. Siyabonga kakhulu enhlanganweni ey'khona zonke even naku-MP kuhle kakhulu ukulwela izwe lethu ngoba yini esiphila khona sifike sikhona uNkulunkulu ukuthi siphile khona kule layisensi elimizimba yethu. Kodwa siyazi ukuthi imizimba yethu iyakhathala kuyaphela kwayo kodwa khona isithembiso sokuphila okuphakathi. uNkulunkulu usiphile ukuphila okuphakathi kusendodaneni onendodana unokuphila okuphakathi ongenayo
nonke bakwethu buyani naloba besenilahlekile buyani sibe kule nkonzo. Ngiyabona ukuthi hambe basenjalahleka endleleni buyani ake ngikhulumeni kanje bazalwane. Thina sesibadala lena inkulumo zethu zivamisanga ukuthatha athi ngikhuluma zakudala. La size ukulungisa uShoko nomndeni wakhe. La sizobonisa uthando lethu kuShoko ukuthi simthanda kangakanani. Njobe makoti angikwazi kodwa ngithanda ukuthi uphela uyohlala phela lapho umkhulu ukuthi umkhulu uvuke kwasena mavayileti leso sikhathi uShongwe nale ntombi ibanjwa ivangeli lalela la sikhuluma ngokukholwa manje. Khona into zasemhlabeni khona ezenyama khona eziyabona njengokusho komapostoli Pawulu lapha ku-19 ekhuluma ebuza ukuthi wemukelani emhlaba ungena kule ndawo. Lithi izwi lenkosi uma ebephendula ukuthi azange siwuzwe thina kule nkonzo esikiyo ukuthi khona umoya oyingcwele. Uma umoya oyingcwele ungakehli kuwe uzoloko wenza lomlabalaba owenzayo. Ngisho kuwe ngoba ungazazi ukuthi uyaphi ubhekephi uyaphi. Kodwa mhlawumbe umoya oyingcwele uyobamba wena hayi wena baba moyeni umoya ngifana kubambe wena ngoba usoze waphuka azathi ugalantiya phela kiyamangala 1:6 kiyamangala bazalwane ninabizelwa emseni base ninatinyathula niyabona imivangeli njengoba namhlanje sekhona uJesu omutsha esingamazi thina bambena nawe sakho
ya kuningi bengakhuluma nalo kade ngikhulumile phakathi neviki ukuthi omama abakhulise lo yilabo ababakihlala njengentombazana abakhulise yilabo abakihlala intombazana yesikole ayimali nje ikhahlele ngenyawo ihlala ikokekile bese bakhama amakhelwane bathi yemfana leya ntombazana iyakwazi na ukukhuluma ngoba bayidinga la ikhaya le ntombazana ikokekile namhlanje imishado ayisekho nje is because abantwana bethu abasakokekanga kuhamba kuyoshona ilanga bakushongwe kunye kuzakusho kuwe noma kunje indlela isahambela ebandleni uliphethe simusa nje umoya wokuxolwa ukuthi namhlanje ngoba kunakala ingoma
Ngithi izinkosi bahamba abafundi bayokwenza njengokusho kaJesu. Bafike babashumayeza abantu baphenduka, babakhulekela abadlula basindiswe. Akabonga uma bebuya beza uJesu sebezoletha ireport ukuthi ke Jesu ngegama lakho sikwenzile okushilo. Phela sifike sashumayela abaphenduka abantu. Futhi asigcinanga lapho sibakhulekela abantu baphilise. Usethi uJesu noma abethuba kwenzile lokho kodwa mina ngibona into ehlukile ngale nto. Uthi uJesu kodwa ngibonile usathane ehlezulwini njengalonyazi. Okusho ukuthi ke akusho ukuthi mawenza okuhle usathana ke iphezulu. Bakusho bebona ukuthi ke noma ukhona sikholwa kangaka akusho usathane ukuthi akazuwela phezulu njengonyazi ezobona injabulo yethu. Ngizobona ukuthi nabantwana babashona usathane unjalo besahlele kukuhle nomama kodwa usathane ongathunywa futhi usathane ongalanda ukuthi lihebi kangakanani usathane is very good ukuzodestroya injabulo kubantu behlezi ngisho abandleni kunjalo sovumelana ngisho enhlanganweni kunjalo sovumelana ukuthi ukuhle hleli kanizaba corporate usathane azohlukanisa konke ukuhle kulo kusenkosini
we-MK azorungise kahle umuntu ngizobiza-ke manje u-archbishop
angikwazi ukukhuluma nevoyisana emncanyana ngizomxolela ngisho yes ngiyabonga kakhulu emndenini wakabushongwe uNkulunkulu usekhona usamthanda futhi bonke futhi amabandla akhona abaholi wekhaya sithwale ihlazo lakho asinawo umuzi omile kepha siyawufuna ozayo masinikele njalo kuNkulunkulu ngaye umhlatshelo ngokubonga okungukuthi isithelo sezindebe esivuma igama lakhe. Siyabonga zabanye. Ngifuna ukuthi isihloko sethu ozohamba naso uma uye ekhaya ukuthi unayo indlu noma umuzi noma ikhaya. Ngifuna ukuthi ubheke umakhelwane wakho eduze kwakho. Umbuzo umakhelwane unalo ikhaya na? Umbuzo unalo ekhaya umakhelwane. Uma engenalo ekhaya uma ngenalo umtshele ukuthi khona izinyanga khona amagedla mawugula bofika nje bakulo muthi bawupheke bakuphuzise bathi uzophila sekwenzile konke lokho kuba khona okwenzakalayo isho kule bandla kamahebe nasekwenzakele bathi thina omunye athi usisi wami bengimthanda udlulile umpostoli Paulo uma eqala evula umlomo uthi kibo umuzi omile asinalo ikhaya elimile uthi kodwa sifuna ikhaya elizayo and ukuthi likaJesu uma izindlela zabo zivuma elinye igama kusho ukuthi usesengaphandle lakhe futhi kube isithelo sokubonga kunabazalwane abangabongi-ke sihlobo sami umnika umenzela lokho akuphumayo kunika nini kufana nale ugcoke le ngubo endolo oyigcokile futhi ucabanga ukuthi uzogcoka nini wena uyamnika nge-open heart umnika ngenhliziyo ekhululekile athi-ke umnika le ngubo ukuthi ngenzeni ngayo umnike imoto umnike ukhwithi siyawazi ukhwithi umnike imoto bathi ukhwithi athi le moto unyane encane kangaka usho ngathi nginomzimba ongaka banganginika imoto nje ngafuna imoto enkulu kodwa liba wanikela ngendodana iyona ukuthi yiloyo naloyo okukholwa yile ndodana angaphuphi ufuna u-underline the word ukuphupha angaphuphi abazalwane bathi bonke sizokufa abamahlangu kodwa uthi uJesu angaphuphi abe nokuphila okuphakathi okukhomba ukuthi kunemehluko phakathi kokuphupha nokufa kunomehluko phakathi kokuphupha nokufa umuntu ophuphile akanasabela ngoba wenze njani uphuphile kodwa umuntu ofile sinethemba ukuthi ngelinye ilanga uzovuka ngithi mina ofile sinethemba ukuthi ngelinye ilanga uzovuka uma ngabe uJesu ebuya likaJesu senzobuyela phansi
Was?
Tommy!
Ngasuka you thinking of
Aya why? Sisofika mesidulele yambila. Thina baye.
Hayi phela kumele kanti kumele ke ubhubesi. Umntana ebhubesi ibhubesi.
Uyambona ibhubesi emlungile.
Hayi ibhubesi ibhubesi. Uyathanda uthanda.
Ukusiphelele. Uyayilena sale muva yini. Mina abantu bayayazi.
Malanga wafona kuyashisa.
Hayi akuyala ngeke.
Too hot.
Hayi.
Uvule emangcwabeni right.
Hayi.
Yakho. Komanda. Ngoba abanye abantu
yabona baphuma kulesa sikole amakhulu.
Okay, Pera, see where they're coming from.
Oh. Yabona bebangathi thina amafoma akhe MKC namathethi.
Ngicala kuyayiza no yena. Imanzi.
Nina. Iviki lonke siza siyabhaka ndoda. Iviki lonke sisenze
asenga fanele sithi sena phezulu.
sokhuza isikhala. Makomrade. Uzolitshela lapha na makomrade.
Ayafaka.
Happy as.
Nali nesayoni.
Ayisayoni.
Uthi ndikuvile uthi hey.
Yeah, khawuthi hey ndive ngoku. Khawuthi hey ndive ngoku. Undertaker inemoto eziningi family cars. Yabona Eminem. Kuma ku Eminem.
Angisho ngidirector ngapha
umoya ingcwele nawo umzimba wakho sesifike nawo la kule ndawo yakho manje siyabusisa leli thuna manje lapho igama nangawakhulisa ngaphathi amen
sekufile wafika umuntu othekileyo waseRhodesia igama lakhe uJosefa wayengumfundisi kaJesu. uJosefa sisonga ngendawo enhle ehlanzekileyo sibeka ethuneni lakhe elisha ayeliqophe edwaleni ingqela itshe elikhulu emnyango wethu.
Tonight.